Does it feel funny?
Keep your head back there.
Cold.
Is it cold?
It's too cold? Really? Is that too cold?
No.
No, okay. Oh wait, I bet.
Okay, Nick.
Merry Christmas!
Santa come?
He's here.
Cool, he was here.
Wow, that's a lot of presents. Look!
At what?
At the presents.
I know.
Let's go see what you got.
Pony.
What'd you get?
I'm gonna come see
Hold
the
on,
pony.
hold on.
The pony. The pony. What? Look, he ate all of it.
He did?
Yes. Look at Charlie.
No.
My stockings are filled. I think our stockings are filled.
Oh, wow.
A pony.
Here, we'll take it off. Hold on, baby. I'll take your stocking off. Hold on.
I know.
Earrings.
Look. I know.
Oh, we'll read the note later.
Wow, a pony.
Barbie. It's like you're riding. Nicole?
I want to brush him.
Okay. Isn't that cool?
It's like brushing Charlie.
Yeah?
Only the pony stays.
Yeah. Chipwreck!
For DS.
That's awesome.
You closing your eyes
Yeah.
to guess?
What is it?
It's upside-
DSD?
Turn around.
DS, yeah.
What?
What's it say? Barbie?
Barbie.
Barbie pups.
Oh my gosh.
He likes it too. Oh, Nick, that's beautiful. On your tray. Thanks, Uncle Frank. Say thanks, Uncle Frank.
Thank you, Hunter. Uncle Frank.
Okay.
Yeah, it's all right.
What is in here? It's just a plain box. Oh my.
Oh,
Nice outfit.
pretty. Those are the outfits that we got from Macy's that we loved. Remember? We don't have that color. Butterfly. Cute. And look at the jacket. Good choice.
Wow.
Isn't that pretty?
Look inside.
I know. Wow. Uncle Frank's got some good fashion taste. Who knew? Right,
Wow.
Nick?
All right.
Barbie. I know it's a Barbie. I know. Wow. Barbie!
Oh, look at that, sweetie. That from Nick?
Michelle and Scott.
Okay, thank you. Because you can read.
Barbie in a bathtub. Barbie in a bathtub. Barbie in a bathtub.
Oh, perfect. Right? When Grandma gives you a bath, you can play with it.
Does it say Barbie in a bathtub?
It just says Barbie. Maybe it says it on top or something. Let's
I think
see.
it does in the back, Barbie
When-
tub.
Barbie tub?
What do you say to Michelle and Scott?
Thank you.
How about Uncle Frank?
Uncle Frank, too.
And Grandma?
And Grandma.
Okay, let's open some more, huh?
Oh my gosh.
Lala Loopsy and Zuzu babies.
Oh.
What is one?
DS!
2 of them? Oh my gosh!
We got
We
5
have so many
DS games.
games.
A Lola Loopsy inside here.
Yay.
Yay, cool.
Thanks,
Want to
yeah.
put that with your other DS games?
Bobo stick. It's a bobo stick. Bobo stick. pogo stick?
Yeah?
Ooh.
You've wanted one for a long time.
Yes.
And what's good about this pogo stick is it's got this, and when you start to do it really, really good, you take that off and then it becomes a lot harder, okay? You like?
I
Wanted
like.
a pogo stick for a while.
What is this?
Demi's in the picture now.
What is
Be
this?
her last Christmas. You know what it is? It's a game, it's called Yahtzee Junior. And yeah, and it's a game that I think you're really gonna like. And you know who loves playing games, right?
Grandpa?
Grandma.
Oh.
Yep. And
Grandma.
it's you actually, Santa told me that you circled it in your book.
Eggie!
Headbands.
You have to put it on the head, and you have to say it is, and the person who's wearing it, you have to say, is it a bird? And you say yes.
So they can guess what's on the head. That'll be
Yeah.
a fun game, huh?
Yeah.
Cool beans.
Why is there this in here? That's what
They look
happened
alike.
here.
Okay.
Another. Oh.
You like those?
They look like horse feet.
They're boots. Do they have something in them?
No.
No.
I mean yes.
And look,
What
they're little
is this?
doggies.
Aw,
Cute, right?
cute.
And they match the little boots. What is it?
Disneyland for Xbox.
Oh, cool.
What's the other
And
one? Alvin and the Chipmunks?
Alvin and the Chipmunks.
In it. What is this? A fidget! And it's pink!
Oh, you got the pink one. Is that the one you wanted?
Yes. I'm hilarious!
That's
Wanna
crazy.
laugh even harder?
Yes.
You betcha! Here's one. Knock knock.
Who's there?
Who's there? Come on, you're supposed to say, who's there? Knock knock.
Say it.
Who's there? Come on, you're supposed to say, who's there? Knock knock.
Who's there?
Justin.
Justin who?
Justin who? Just in time for another dance. Remember we heard this one?
Okay.
I found this because that fell out of your stocking.
That fell out of your stocking. Do you know what it says?
Dear Nicole,
I left
I laughed. Me
one
one
more
more
special
special
gift for you in
in your
what's that say?
You know that word.
Ooh,
room.
in your room. I left one special gift for you in your room. Exo Santa.
Should we go look?
Is there one in her room?
What? I don't know. I didn't see anything in her room. I didn't hear anything
Why?
upstairs.
Come on, let's look.
Lead the way. Let's go. Charlie, no.
What is it?
I don't know. We'll have to see.
A clean room.
A clean room. What is it?
Barbie Townhouse! Wow. But where's the Barbie?
You got new Barbies,
Barbie's are downstairs.
right?
Oh.
So we got to bring your Barbies up, huh? Is this what you wanted?
Yeah.
Okay, nope. For the elevator, you go like this.
No, but the
You
No,
pull this.
I want to go down.
Nick, look, see this thing here? This is what you're supposed to pull.
Oh,
It's bigger than you, Nicole.
Where's the pool?
Here's the hot tub. I'm sorry.
Oh, but where's the pool?
No, that is